An unusual and somewhat embarrassing crisis faces the US service members deployed in the West Asia. While there are growing concern and reports of food shortages on the American warship involved in the ongoing US-Israeli war on Iran. Ladies and gentlemen, a family received a photograph from its daughter, who is currently serving aboard the USS Tripoli. Well, USA Today has reported this news, so it's legitimate, right? Well, the image showed a lunch tray that was largely empty, with only small portion of shredded meat and a folded tortilla. In fact, similar accounts were later shared from other vessels, including the USS Abraham Lincoln, where a service member reportedly sent a picture of a meal consisting of boiled carrot, a dry meat patty, and processed meat slab. These reports, they have sparked concern among families about whether extended deployment are putting pressure on basic on-board supply system or not. Well, the family members say that such images, they have been accompanied by messages describing limited food availability during deployment. In messages shared with his mother, a sailor on board USS Tripoli said service members eat when they can and divide food, in fact, evenly when supplies are uneven. Supplies are going to get really low. That's what he wrote. Morale is going to be at all-time low. Well, such statements, and that too in a growing situation, it's kind of devastating. In the meantime, the USS Tripoli is among several US Navy vessels that are deployed to the region as part of an operations linked to heightened tension involving the US and Iran. According to the US Central Command, the ships, with about 3,500 sailors and marines aboard, they are involved in reinforcing maritime security measures and monitoring the vessel movement in sensitive waters. In fact, extended deployments of this scale, they often require a very complex supply chain of food, fuel, medical provision. In the meantime, families of deployed personnel, they say that they have been trying to send essential supplies such as food items, hygiene products, personal necessities. But several shipments, they have not reached their destination. In fact, they also claim that delays have created uncertainty about how regularly ships can be resupplied during extended missions. Well, according to a report by USS Today, ladies and gentlemen, the delays, it came amid the disruption in the mail delivery. The United States Postal Service has temporarily suspended deliveries to 27 military zip codes since early April due to airspace closure and logistics challenges linked to the conflict environment. Well, officials say mail already in transit is being held in secure facilities and will be delivered once operation resumes. In fact, their spokesperson also clarified that no military mail is being returned to senders, and that too during the suspension time. Though military officials have acknowledged the disruption, with spokesperson stating that the suspension is in effect until the further notice. While mail services are paused, support channels for deployed troops, they are reportedly under review to ensure continuity once conditions actually stabilize.